Welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to hide photos in a gallery on this device. Alright, so to do this we have to open Google Photos, and right here we have to choose the photo that we want to hide. For example, this one. So now we have to hold on it. And right here I have to swipe to the right where we have this move to locked folder option. Now we have to click continue, move. And as you can see, now this photo is not right here because it's hidden in this private locked folder. As you can see now, we can enter right here, and in the locked folder it's right here. And that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.